Today we're going to be sanding our paint between coats. Anytime you primer or paint, you need to sand between coats to make sure all the burrs come out and you have a nice flat surface. You don't have little dots of dirt and chunks of drywall left over from the texture. So to do that, you need a round-headed sand pole or a flat screen works good. If you use a square-headed sand pole, the screen works best for paint application. So you'll get about a 150, 180 sanding pad. You don't want to go anything under 150 because you can start scratching through the primer. So you'll take and overlap half of the sand pad, just like I'm going to show you. All the way top to bottom. The thing about the round sanders is they have a rubber edge on the side of it. If you bump your ceiling, it's not going to mark it up. You leave a big nasty mark for you to come back and paint or touch up the drywall with. Just the light painting all the way across. I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure, as you can see. If you really scrub down on it, then you're going to take some of the product off. Definitely worth the time. If you don't, you'll notice roller marks, things that show through any of your blemishes from your drywall. It helps to cover them. So keep that in mind when you're painting your own houses to sand between coats.